Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today on How to Cook, we are going to be making my favorite fried rice. This is a super easy and simple recipe. It's actually how my mom made it for us growing up. So I'm super excited to share that with you guys today. Before we begin, check out all the ingredients on the right-hand side of the screen. We're going to start off by dicing some onion. So we have one full onion, but we're actually only going to use half of it. So it's a yellow sweet onion. We're going to chop it and then dice it into little cubes. And these cubes will be about the same size in terms of the onion pieces as compared to like the peas and carrots. So we'll use about 1 cup of diced onion and then also about a cup of frozen peas and carrots together. And here I'm actually using some pre-made chicken that I'm dicing and cubing up into smaller bite-sized pieces that I'll use in my fried rice. This is completely optional and you can actually use shrimp or pork or leftover like rotisserie chicken. It's really about kind of what you have in your fridge. And now we're going to be mixing the soy sauce or base for the fried rice. Altogether, you'll need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Combine that with about equal parts cooking sherry or Chinese shaoxing wine, which you can find at your local Chinese grocery store. If you can't find that, skip it. Substitute water, and then crack in a generous amount of pepper, and then stir it, and we'll set that aside for our fried rice. And now you want to find the largest pan you have in your kitchen. If you have a wok, this is a great time to bring out that wok. I don't actually have a wok in my kitchen, so I'm actually just using a large flat pan. But you'll want to put 4 tablespoons worth of oil into the hot pan and then crack in 4 eggs. You'll want to thoroughly incorporate the eggs here and make sure everything's fully incorporated and kind of scrape the sides. And one thing to note is that you don't want to overcook the eggs. You want to keep it slightly runny, and it's the soft curd-like consistency. Once you find that perfect consistency, you will want to remove it from the heat and set it aside, and we'll incorporate that later into the fried rice. Using the same pan, we're going to actually fry up some of the onion, and you want to start the onion first so that all the nice aromas can be released before adding the peas and carrots. This should take a few minutes to cook, and then you'll want to add your frozen peas and carrots, give that a thorough cook, and then finally add your chicken into the pot before adding the rice. For this recipe, I have about 4 cups of leftover white rice. You can definitely use fresh white rice if you don't have leftover rice on hand, but that texture and consistency is going to be a little bit stickier if you use fresh white rice. You want to break up the rice really nicely and then also add in a little bit of oil. If you get some charring at the bottom of your pan, that is okay. Make sure you just give that a nice scrape and incorporate it into your rice. That adds a lot of great flavor into your rice. And then incorporate your sauce, give that a thorough mix. Make sure everything's well combined and thoroughly mixed, and continue to break up your rice in your pot. And then stir in your eggs, and I also like to add a little bit of sesame oil right at the end, right before I'm about to serve, to get that nutty aroma, and I dress it up with a little bit of green onion. And there you go, easy, simple, delicious fried rice at home. This is an extremely versatile recipe, leveraging whatever you have on hand and whatever is left over in your fridge. It's super simple, and you can serve it alongside a Chinese entree or have it alone. I also love to dress it up with whatever sauces or condiments I have in the fridge. My secret indulgence is ketchup and mayo. But if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll be publishing a new video every single week. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and happy cooking.